Lesson: Analyzing User Engagement and Response Quality. Analyzing user engagement and response quality is a critical component of prompt engineering, directly impacting the effectiveness and efficiency of interactive systems. To ensure that prompts elicit desired user behaviors and high-quality responses, professionals must be adept at evaluating and refining these prompts based on user interactions. This lesson delves into actionable insights and practical tools necessary for this evaluation, offering a clear path to mastering this crucial aspect of certified prompt engineering professional. User engagement, defined as the depth of interaction between the user and the system, serves as a primary indicator of prompt effectiveness. When analyzing engagement, it is essential to consider both quantitative and qualitative metrics. Quantitative metrics include click-through rates, time spent on tasks, and frequency of use. For instance, a high click-through rate may indicate that the prompt successfully captures user interest, prompting further interaction. Conversely, a low rate may suggest that the prompt is unclear or unappealing. Qualitative metrics, such as user feedback and sentiment analysis, provide insights into the user experience and can unveil issues related to user satisfaction and prompt clarity. Natural language processing tools can analyze user feedback, identifying recurring themes and sentiments that inform prompt refinement. Response quality, on the other hand, pertains to the relevance, coherence, and completeness of the user's reply. High-quality responses are those that not only address the prompt accurately, but also demonstrate user understanding and engagement with the content. To assess this, professionals can employ frameworks such as the Response Quality Framework, which evaluates user responses based on criteria like relevance, accuracy, and richness of detail. By applying RQF, analysts can systematically identify strengths and weaknesses in user interactions, guiding prompt adjustments to improve the quality of future responses. A practical tool for measuring engagement and response quality is the A/B testing framework. This involves creating two versions of a prompt and measuring user engagement and response quality across both versions to determine which is more effective. For instance, an e-commerce platform might test two different product description prompts to see which one leads to higher conversion rates and more informative customer inquiries. By analyzing the data from these tests, professionals can make data-driven decisions to optimize prompts for better user interaction and response quality. Another effective approach is leveraging machine learning algorithms to predict user engagement patterns and response quality. By training models on historical user interaction data, these algorithms can identify factors that contribute to successful engagements and high-quality responses. For instance, a machine learning model might reveal that prompts with certain linguistic structures or content types consistently yield better user engagement. This insight allows prompt engineers to tailor their designs more effectively, enhancing overall system performance. Case studies from the tech industry provide valuable examples of these principles in action. For example, a study conducted by researchers at Google demonstrated the impact of prompt phrasing on user interaction with voice-activated assistants. By analyzing user engagement metrics and response quality, the researchers found that prompts framed as open-ended questions rather than commands significantly increased interaction time and elicited more detailed responses. This finding underscores the importance of prompt design in shaping user behavior and highlights the potential for strategic prompt adjustments to enhance engagement and response quality. The use of sentiment analysis tools provides further practical insights into user engagement and response quality. Tools such as IBM Watson's Tone Analyzer can assess the emotional tone of user responses, offering insights into user satisfaction and engagement levels. For example, a prompt designed for a customer service chatbot might be evaluated based on the sentiment of user replies. If the analysis reveals a predominantly negative sentiment, this could indicate issues with prompt clarity or tone, prompting revisions to improve user experience. In addition to these tools and frameworks, it is essential to consider the role of user feedback in evaluating prompt effectiveness. Direct user feedback, gathered through surveys or feedback forms, provides invaluable qualitative data on user perceptions and experiences. This feedback can highlight specific areas for improvement, such as prompt clarity or relevance, and guide prompt engineers in making necessary adjustments. For instance, if users frequently report confusion about a particular prompt, this feedback can inform revisions to enhance clarity and comprehension. To implement these strategies effectively, professionals should follow a structured approach to prompt evaluation and refinement. First, data collection is crucial, encompassing both quantitative metrics and qualitative feedback. Next, data analysis should be conducted using appropriate tools and frameworks, such as A/B testing, machine learning models, and sentiment analysis tools. Based on this analysis, prompt engineers can identify specific areas for improvement and make data-driven adjustments to optimize user engagement and response quality. Finally, continuous monitoring and iteration are essential to ensure that prompts remain effective over time, adapting to changing user needs and preferences. The importance of analyzing user engagement and response quality cannot be overstated, as it directly influences the success of interactive systems. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks, professionals can systematically evaluate and refine prompts, enhancing their effectiveness and ensuring they elicit desired user behaviors and high-quality responses. This lesson has provided a comprehensive overview of the key strategies and tools necessary for this evaluation, offering clear, actionable insights that can be applied to real-world challenges. As prompt engineers continue to refine their skills in this area, they will be well-equipped to design prompts that drive meaningful user interactions and achieve desired outcomes.